Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jake at Lexus of Cool Springs. So I got another little update for you about the 2022 inventory. It's actually not that good of news. So I was just informed by my fleet manager that Toyota and Lexus have had to shut down some plants so that they can sort of consolidate some of the raw materials it's going to take to build the cars. So I was told that about 40% of Toyota's production is going to drop, and the Lexus cars have already started to disappear. So what I mean by that is we had some cars allocated to us for, let's say, the next production line, like the production series, and that usually is about 30 to 45 days out. Well, 15 of those cars just aren't getting produced now. They just disappeared. And we actually had 7 of them already pre-sold. So we had to call those customers and tell them, I'm sorry, your car's not being produced anymore, so can we switch you to a different car or find something else or wait for something else to be built. So what that means is we're not going to be able to see that far into the future anymore on what cars are being built. Instead of, it used to be where you could see this car will be built. Now we're only going to be seeing which cars are built, if that makes any sense. So like right now in my list, I can see this car will be produced on August 30th, right? It's not August 30th yet, it's August 23rd. So I'm not going to be able to see that car anymore. I'm only going to be able to see the cars that were made on August 23rd or in the past. And then how long will it take to get here? I can see that. So we're going to see some changes. I'm not sure how this is going to affect the rollout of other models like the NX or the IS 500. I've been told that it has a lot to do with the higher trim levels. So it seems like all the ones that we lost were higher trim levels, like Mark Levinson audio system, panoramic moon roofs, triple beam LED headlights. Those premium features were the ones that went away. So I'm not sure if that means that plant in particular was closed or the raw materials for that thing are no longer available. So I'm just trying to give you guys an update on some of the things that I've heard, and unfortunately, you know, it sounds like that's not going to be good news for the new cars coming in. If I get any more information about it, of course, I'm going to let you guys know. Still no solid start date for the NX. Speculation is, you know, middle of October, but at our dealership, we can't pre-order any of them. We don't have a price for any of them. We have no start dates for those productions. So anyways, not the best news, but I wanted to at least get you the news. So if you found that helpful and you want to stick around for the next one, just subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up, or leave your comments in the comment box. Thanks.